Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to use our workbook and we're going to do a review, meaning we're going to do the letters and write the letters that we have already been learning about. So it'll be a review because we've done it before in our letters and numbers for me, the practice and the lessons, and now we're ready to just practice and review the ones that we've learned. So you will be using a pencil, your letters and numbers for me, page 19. And you'll also need crayons or colored pencils to color the objects that start with the letter. Okay, so let's go ahead and start here with the letter H. Each letter I'd like you to practice first with your pointer finger to make sure you know how to write the letter. So always start with number 1. So we've got big line, little line across. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're going to take your pencil and you can see the way that it's done, and let's copy. Big line, little line across. I want you to finish copying these two, and then you'll go to the next letter. You can pause the video if you'd like to finish here. We're going to do big line, little line, letter K, capital K. Take your pencil, let's copy K. Big line, big line. Okay. Finish these ones. You can either finish as the video is going, you can pause and finish, or you can come back to these after the video. All right, pencil down, trace with your pointer finger, big line, little line. Taking a pencil, starting corner, big line, little line, and the little line just goes halfway. And you can finish those. This is going to be big line curve, big line back up, big line down, curve, big line back up. Big line curve, big line back up. Okay, make sure you finish those. And we have the letter V. So pencil down, big line down, sliding down, slide back up, big line. Big line diagonal, slide down, big line diagonal, slide back up. Make sure you finish those two. And let's do the W. Big line down, slide down, big line back up, big line down, big line up. Sliding down, sliding up, sliding down, sliding up. Now take your pencil, I'm going to copy the W, big line diagonal, slide down, big line diagonal up, big line diagonal down, big line diagonal up. All right, make sure you finish those. Letter X, big line diagonal, big line diagonal. Okay, so big line diagonal, pick your pencil up, go to the other corner, big line diagonal. All right, pencil down, little line diagonal, big line diagonal. Pencil, little line diagonal, halfway, just to the center. Pick your pencil up, bring it here, big line diagonal. So little line halfway to the center of the block, and then lift your pencil up, big line diagonal. All right, if you need to finish your letters, go ahead and finish them there. If you paused and you just finished as we were going, you can go ahead and take your colored pencils or crayons and color the objects. We have H is for heart, K is for koala, L is for ladybug, U is for up, V is for vase. W is for worm. X is for X-ray, and Y is for yarn. Enjoy coloring those, and just make sure you finish all your letters that you need to make. And great job today. Thank you for joining me.